Hello, wonderful families. Welcome back to GBRLIFE, where we explore the many facets of living a balanced and enriched life. I'm Caitlin, and today we're discussing a topic that's vital for every parent and guardian watching: how to cultivate resilience in our children. It's about more than just teaching them to endure. It's about empowering them to thrive. As parents, our instinct is to protect our children from hardship, but we also know that it's inevitable. They'll face challenges, setbacks, and failures. So how do we prepare them? How do we ensure that these inevitable parts of life make them stronger and more independent? Today, we'll dive deep into the practical strategies that foster resilience, empowering our children to face life with courage and confidence. We'll explore what resilience really looks like in children. It's not about a lack of emotion or an unyielding stoicism. Instead, it's about emotional agility, being able to bounce back from difficulties with a healthy understanding of one's emotions and how to manage them. And we'll also dissect the pivotal role with play as models of resilience. Our children watch us. They learn from us. So how we handle our stresses and setbacks teaches them more than any lecture ever could. They need to see us facing our problems, processing our emotions healthily, and moving forward with purpose and optimism. And it's not just about talking, it's about doing. We'll cover activities and daily practices that you can start doing with your kids today. From problem-solving exercises to fostering open communication, we'll give you the tools to help build those crucial life skills. And because it's a journey we're all on together, I'd love to hear your stories and strategies as well. I've got kids too. What has worked for you in raising resilient kids? Drop your experiences and tips in the comments below as we go along. Let's learn from each other and strengthen our community. You're ready to dive into these insights and start empowering your child with resilience that they need for a fulfilling life? Then stay tuned and be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any part of our discussion. Let's get started and unlock the secrets to resilient children, strong and independent as well, right after my intro.
Capture tales in text, it's a written quest. Life's pages turn our treasure chest. Ink spills truth, not a bit less. Our blog shines where the heart confess. Yeah,
so that was fun.
The motherhood maze, balancing acts in the life's grand ballet. Stay engaged.
Building resilience in children is a multifaceted process involving emotional, psychological, and practical strategies. Let's break down some key approaches that you can start implementing today to help your child grow into a resilient individual. First up, emotional coaching. It's crucial to guide children through understanding and managing their emotions. When a child experiences setbacks or disappointments, don't rush to solve their problems. Instead, use these moments as opportunities to teach them how to handle their feelings. For instance, if your child didn't do well on a test, instead of immediately offering solutions, encourage them to express how they feel about it. Ask questions like, how does that make you feel? Or what do you think went wrong? This helps them become self-aware and process their emotions constructively. Another thing to do is enhance problem-solving skills. Encourage your child to come up with solutions to their own problems, because this helps foster independence and confidence. You begin with simple issues like resolving a dispute with a sibling or choosing what to wear, but gradually they can take on more complex problems. Remember, the goal is not to have them solve everything on their own right away, but to help develop a mindset of thinking through options and consequences. Another key area is building connections. Strong, supportive relationships are the backbone of resilience. So encourage your child to forge friendships and connect with family members or teachers and community members. These bonds provide emotional support and a sense of belonging, and it's a critical component in resilience. You can foster this by organizing playdates, family gatherings, and community service activities where they can interact and build relationships. And then encouraging responsible risk-taking is also vital. While it may seem counterintuitive, allowing your child to take appropriate risks can significantly boost their resilience. That doesn't mean putting them in harm's way. It means letting them try new activities where there's a chance of failure, like a new sport, a complex game, or a public performance. It's about learning from both successes and failures. And each of these strategies, from emotional coaching to encouraging risks, works together to help your child not just cope with challenges, but embrace and learn from them. It's about providing tools, not solutions. And remember, resilience doesn't develop overnight. It's a journey that you and your child will navigate together. In our next part, we'll explore daily practices and routines that you can establish to reinforce these strategies, making resilience a natural part of your child's development. So how do we build on these strategies we just discussed? Let's dive into some daily practices and routines. Daily reflections. Each day, set aside a few minutes to talk with your child about their day. Focus on both the positives and the challenges. Ask them what they've learned and how they could use the knowledge in the future. These simple practices encourage self-awareness and critical thinking, which are essential for resilience. Now let's talk about small goal setting. So you would work with your child to set achievable goals for things that they care about, whether it's improving a skill, completing a project, or making a new friend. You celebrate the small victories along the way. And then this not only boosts their confidence, but it also teaches them the value of persistence and hard work. And then incorporating constructive play is also crucial. Play is a powerful tool for developing resilience. Through play, children learn to cope with unexpected situations, to negotiate social dynamics. So you encourage play that stimulates creativity and problem solving, whether it's building blocks, strategy games, or imaginative role play. And here's a fun one: family challenge time. Once a week, organize a family activity that poses a challenge. It could be a puzzle, a physical activity, or a DIY project. The goal is not just to have fun, but to encounter challenges to solve them together. This shows your child that challenges are normal and a part of life, and that they have the support to face them because you're there with them. These daily practices are not just tasks, they are opportunities to instill resilience in meaningful and engaging ways. Plus, they're pretty safe. And by incorporating these routines into your family life, you're not only helping your child to build resilience, but also creating a supportive environment where they can thrive. See, raising resilient kids is one of the most rewarding aspects of parenting, because you know that it equips them with the skills to face life's challenges with confidence and grace. Remember, you're not alone on this journey. Here at GBR Life, we're committed to supporting you with resources, tips, and sharing experiences with the entire community, which is why I have an entire section on GBR Life of parenting. And if you have any questions or any tips or stories about raising resilient kids, please share them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you and learn from you too, but let's all learn together. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insightful content. Thank you for joining me today. Keep nurturing those little hearts and minds and watch them grow into strong, independent, and resilient individuals. Until next time, remember, with all of my content on GBR Life, you don't have to be without GBR Life in your life. And don't forget, parents, you're doing a great job. Until next time.